In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to import a sales personnel roster into an existing AlignMix file. And that means that you can import sales reps, district managers, and region managers, and have AlignMix link those sales personnel to their correct assigned geographies. So in this example here, we already have a zip to territory file created, and we also have sales districts and regions created. So just to show you that, I will open up a new tab, click on districts, and you'll see our districts appear here. And then finally on our region tab, we've got a region map view. So our import will assign sales reps, district managers, and region managers. Before we start that import, let's take a look at the Excel file we'll be using for this import. Here on the screen, you will see our sales personnel roster. We've got column A, which is the ID, and column B, which is the name. In this example, they're both the same. But if you did have a numeric ID, that would be in one of these columns. Moving on to column C is where we have our job title. Scrolling down, you'll see we have different variations of sales reps. And then at the bottom, we have district managers and region managers. This job role will be imported in addition to all the other data. This will help create the assignments that we're trying to import into the software. Moving back up, we have the home zip code for every person that's in this file. And then in column E, we have the assignment. The assignment is needed in order for AlignMix to assign the people correctly. As I scroll down, you'll see that the sales reps have a numeric territory ID, and moving down, district managers, and then we have the region managers assigned to different regions. These assignments will allow AlignMix to assign each person correctly to either their sales territory, their district, or region. So now let's go back to that AlignMix file and start this import. So here in our AlignMix file, we go to File, Import, and import your data, and then we select that file for import and click on Open. By default, AlignMix will show you the data from the first worksheet in that Excel workbook. So to select a different worksheet, you need to click on the back button and then select the personnel roster and click Next. The column labels from that Excel sheet will appear here on the left side. So what we do now is we click and drag from the left to the corresponding section here on the right. And we'll be dragging all of our data into the sales reps and managers section. ID goes to sales rep ID, name goes to name, job title goes down here to job title, their home zip code comes here to the zip code section, and their assignment, whether it's territory, district, or region, comes down here to the bottom section. And now click on Next. We will now see a new pop-up that you typically won't see if you're just importing sales reps. And this pop-up is AlignMix confirming that we have our hierarchy of assignments created correctly. And as I showed you earlier in this video, we already have districts and regions created. And the software is trying to correctly place the district managers and region managers into the correct assignments and roles. Because we have their assignments in that Excel file, the software does a good job of placing these roles in the correct area. If you notice that these placements are incorrect, you can simply click and drag the correct ones to the correct section. But in this example, AlignMix did a perfect job of placing these roles and assignments in the correct areas. Now we click on Next, then Next again, and AlignMix completes that import, and now you can click on Finish. So now if we zoom into an area like Texas, you will see our sales reps appear here on the map. If I zoom in further, you will see their names. If I click here at the top on Edit Personnel, you will see that full list of all the sales reps, district managers, and region managers that we've just imported. If I click through, you will see that their job title appears in this field, their role is set here with the checkbox, and you can also see their assignments, whether it's a territory assignment, district assignment, or region assignment. So let's scroll down until we find a district manager. Here we go. Aria Starkson is a district manager, and she's assigned to the Northwest District. If we keep going down, you'll see sales reps. Here's another district manager assigned to the Great Lakes. So now let's click on Cancel and zoom out a bit. If we go back to our district alignment view, and now we can search for our district managers in this view. Here are the two district managers that we've imported, and you can see they're assigned to districts. If you right-click on a district to open up the district properties, you will see that this sales district is assigned to Toby Funke, and this district is also assigned to the central region where in the central region map view, you will also have the region managers imported in here. And there you go. You've just learned how to import a full sales personnel roster into AlignMix.